Hey, it's Seth from Sonic Electronics here with the BOYO Vision VTW43M, a replacement rear-view mirror with built-in 4.3-inch monitor. So first off, it is a replacement mirror, which means it's a little bit more universal, so it comes with all the mounting and hardware to put it in, and it's got this nice big mirror. High quality mirror, but behind this, on this side right over here, is a 4.3-inch display that's going to have a resolution of 480 by 272. Now once you give this an input source, you're going to be able to get a video signal coming through here. This is great for backup cameras that you can connect using a standard RCA composite video input, any type of backup camera you want, or you can get the BOYO Vision one that BOYO recommends with this one. It also supports a separate video input as well as Miracast. And Miracast is really cool technology that allows you to mirror whatever's on the display of your iOS or Android device. To use it's really simple. All you have to do is connect your Android or iOS smartphone device to it through DLNA or Miracast or your AirPlay, and it's going to send that display directly to this mirror, which is great for navigation, for maps, or if you're a foodie, you can go out, you can populate Yelp, you can get directions to a nearby restaurant, and you can be on your way. Now this also supports audio, which means that if your navigation is going to speak to you, tell you turn-by-turn directions, that audio is going to come through the mirror, not necessarily your phone. So that way you can still listen to your stereo in your car, your CDs, your MP3 player, whatever, and then you can still get your turn-by-turn directions through the built-in speakers on this mirror. Now the adjustable safety lines that are on there, like I said, are adjustable, which means you can configure them to make sure that they're accurate. So you know your distances as you're backing up are accurate, and that's a really nice safety feature, especially as you're backing into a garage or into a parking space. You know that distance. Now some other features that this gives you is touchscreen controls. Off to the left-hand side you have 4 touchscreen controls, one for volume up, one for volume down, one for mode, and one for channel. So you can adjust which video input you want. You can also adjust whether it's going to be connected to an iOS or Android device. So included in the box is everything you need to install and mount the mirror, as well as a remote control to make use a little bit more convenient. So if you're looking to upgrade your basic rear view mirror with a brand new one with a lot of tech, the BOYO Vision VTW43M is a great solution. You can learn more about it by clicking the link in the description or visiting sonicelectronics.com, or if you're already on the product page, click Add to Cart and get yours today.